Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create a Tailwind project for beginner. Alright, first of all you have to make sure that you have installed Visual Studio Code on your computer, and then you have to make sure that you have installed Node.js on your computer. The installation is pretty simple, so you just download the files and install it on your computer. So I will skip this process. The next step, you just go to Tailwind official website, search for Tailwind CSS. Click over there. Right now the Tailwind is version 4 over here, you can see, and then go to docs, and the techniques that we are going to use over here is Tailwind CLI. This is the installation process. We are going to follow this one. Let's create a folder over here, Tailwind project. Okay, let's open this folder with Visual Studio Code. Just drag and drop the folder to the icon. Yes, and then just open the terminal. Make sure that you open command prompt. Over here I will change from PowerShell to command prompt. I can remove this one. Then the first command that you have to type is npm init. So this command will be used to create Node.js package. So the package name I'm going to name is Tailwind-projects. Just hit enter, and the version just hit enter. Description, you can put like example project, something like that. You can put whatever you want. For the entry point, you just hit enter and enter until it's done. Okay, you will get package.json over here. Now you can start install Tailwind CSS. Let's go back to the documentation over here. Just copy this command line and then put this over here. Hit enter. If we download and install Tailwind CSS in this project, you will get Node module folder, and you will see add Tailwind CSS over here. And if you check on package.json, you will see the dependency has been installed over here. Tailwind CSS CLI and Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's create a folder over here. We can name it source. The first files that we can create is input.css. So input.css will use to add Tailwind CSS. Here we can import Tailwind CSS to the input.css files over here. And then the next step, you can compile this input.css to build Tailwind styles for you, or to build output files for you. Just copy this command and paste this over here. And when you hit enter, it will watch and compiles output.css for you. So this is a Tailwind class, and you can use this class with HTML. For example, I can create index.html over here. And then I just create HTML files here, and then I just import output to this code. You can see it's over here. See is how they import is. They use link. You just copy if you don't want a code, and then paste it over here. Here we import output.css, which is these files that generated by this command from these files. Okay, and then we can start type h1, and then I can put hello Tailwind CSS. I can put class over here. Then I can start using Tailwind class. For example, bg red 500. I save, and it will compile the files for me. So I have to open these files with live server. Right click and open with live server. In order to have open with live server over here, you have to install live server extension for Visual Studio Code. Here, live server. Make sure that you install this extension. Alright, let me open it. You see it's work. So for example, if I wanna make the font bold, I can do font bold, save, and if I hit refresh, you see the font is darker. Normally it will automatically refresh this page. If you need other suggestion from Tailwind Intelligent, you have to install this extension, Tailwind CSS Intelligent. Install this extension, and then create tailwind.config.js or whatever. For example, over here, let me create a new files, and I create the files tailwind.config.js, and I save. I go back here, and then you will see suggestion over here. For example, if I put underline over here, you will see underline suggestion, and I can put italic over here. See, if you go back here, you will see. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe Coding Summary. Don't forget to comment down below.